Blue Star High Secondary School video classes for 10th standard mathematics. Happy morning students. Last video we see unit exercise 3. The next unit is geometry. So we are skipping that unit. Next unit is unit 5 coordinate geometry. So today we are going to see the unit 5 coordinate geometry. We are going to recall some formulas. First one, distance between 2 points x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2 is d is equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Already in 9th standard itself you see how to find the distance between 2 points. Similarly, second one, the midpoint M of the line segment A of x1 comma y1 and B of x2 comma y2 is x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Third one, centroid of a triangle. Centroid of a triangle whose vertices are A of x1 comma y1 comma B of x2 comma y2 and C of x3 comma y3 is given by x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Fourth one, three distinct points A of x1 comma y1 comma B of x2 comma y2 and C of x3 comma y3 will be collinear if and only if area of a triangle ABC is equal to 0. If 3 points are collinear means definitely area of a triangle ABC will be 0. Fifth one is area of a triangle is the absolute value of the expression. That is formula for area of a triangle is equal to 1 by 2 into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2, or otherwise the vertices of A of x1 comma y1 comma B of x2 comma y2 and C of x3 comma y3 of a triangle ABC are said to be taken in order if A, B, C are taken in counterclockwise direction. That is, you are taking counterclockwise direction. The following pictorial representation helps us to write the above formula very easily. So before we are seeing the formula area of a triangle, it is very difficult to by heart. So by using this we can easily write the formula. First you have to write 1 by 2, then the vertices of the given points x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, then again x1, y1. This is nothing but cross multiplication method. Previous classes itself we seen. So area of a triangle ABC is equal to 1 by 2. We just put 1 by 2 as it is. Then first step is you have to multiply this two. So x1 y2 plus x2 y3 plus x3 y1. The next step is you have to put minus into x2 y1 or y1 x2. Both are same only. So x2 y1, next x3 y2 or y2 x3 plus y3 x1 or x1 y3. I just write first the x coordinate then the y coordinate. If you write y1 x2 plus y2 x3 plus y3 x1 is also correct only. So the area of a triangle ABC is equal to 1 by 2 into x1 y2 plus x2 y3 plus x3 y1 minus x2 y1 plus x3 y2 plus x1 y3 square units. So next we are going to see example 5.1 which is in page number 208. The question is, find the area of a triangle whose vertices are minus 3 comma 5 comma 5 comma 6 and 5 comma minus 2. So first what you are going to do is you just plot the points. So solution, let the vertices be A of minus 3 comma 5, B of 5 comma minus 2, C of 5 comma 6. So this will be your x1 y1 and x2 y2, then x3 y3 value. You just plot the points in the graph. This is x, y, x dash, y dash. You already know O is the midpoint, that is 0 comma 0. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, etc. Similarly, this is a positive in y coordinates. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 in y dash. The first point is A of minus 3 comma 5. So minus 3 is in x dash and 5 is in y. So minus 3 comma 5. The next point is 5 comma minus 2. So 5 is positive. So 5 you have to take here in x. Then minus 2. Minus 2 is negative. So you have to take in y dash. So 5 comma minus 2 we have to mark it here. Then the last point is 5 comma 6. 5 is a positive and 6 is also positive. So 5 comma 6. Then join the 3 points. This is your A minus 3 comma 5 and this is your B point. This is your B point 5 comma minus 2 and this is your C 5 comma 6. So next what you are going to do is you are just going to find the area of a triangle. So area of a triangle ABC is equal to 1 by 2 into x1 y2 plus x2 y3 plus x3 y1 minus x2 y1 plus x3 y2 plus x1 y3 square units. So the next step is you are going to substitute the values, which is equal to 1 by 2 into x1 value is minus 3. So minus 3 into y2 value is minus 2 plus x2 value is 5 into y3 value is 6 plus x3 value is 5 into y1 value is 5 whole bracket minus again x2 value is 5 into y1 value is also 5 plus x3 value is 5 into y2 value is minus 2 plus x1 value is minus 3 into y3 value is 6. Square units, which is equal to 1 by 2 into 3 2s are 6 minus into minus plus, so 6 plus 6 5s are 30 plus 5 5s are 25 minus 5 5s are 25. 5 into minus 2 is minus 10. Then minus 3 into 6 minus 18 square units, which is equal to 1 by 2 into 6 plus 30 plus 25 minus 25 minus 10 minus 18 square units, which is equal to 1 by 2 into 6 plus 30 plus 25 is 61 minus 25 minus 10 minus 18 is minus 28. So 25 minus 28 square units, which is equal to 1 by 2 into 61 minus of minus 3 square units. Then the next step is, which is equal to 1 by 2 into 61 minus into minus plus 3 square units, which is equal to 1 by 2 into 64, which is nothing but 32 square units. Therefore, area of a triangle ABC is equal to 32 square units. Example 5.2, which is also in page number 208. Show that the points P of minus 1.5 comma 3, Q of 6 comma minus 2, R of minus 3 comma 4 are collinear. So solution, the points P of minus 1.5 comma 3 comma Q of 6 comma minus 2 comma R of minus 3 comma 4. We know that the formula area of a triangle PQR is equal to 1 by 2 into x1 y2 plus x2 y3 plus x3 y1 minus x2 y1 plus x3 y2 plus x1 y3. Then this is the point P of minus 1.5 comma 3. This will be your x1 y1 and this is the second point. So this is your x2 y2 and finally R of minus 3 comma 4 is your x3 y3. The next step is you have to substitute the values. If you get the area of a triangle PQR is equal to 0, then only the given 3 points are collinear. So which is equal to 1 by 2 into x1 value is minus 1.5 minus 1.5 into y2 value is 6. Sorry, y2 value is minus 2 plus x2 value is 6 into y3 value is 4 plus x3 value is minus 3 into y1 value is 3 minus x2 value is 6 into y1 is 3 plus x3 is minus 3 into y2 is minus 2 plus x1 is minus 1.5 into y3 is 4. Which is equal to 1 by 2 into minus into minus plus 1.5 into 2 is 3 plus 6 4s are 24. Then minus 3 into 3 is minus 9 minus 6 3s are 18 minus into minus plus 3 2s are 6 plus into minus minus 1.5 into 4 is 6 which is equal to 1 by 2 into 3 plus 24 minus 9 is 18. Similarly minus 18 plus 6 minus 6. So plus 6 minus 6 gets cancelled means 18. So 18 minus 18 is 0. So 1 by 2 into 0 is nothing but 0. Therefore area of a triangle PQR is equal to 0. Therefore the given 3 points PQR are collinear. Next we are going to see example 5.3 which is in page number 208 and 209. If the area of a triangle formed by the vertices A of minus 1 comma 2 comma B of k comma minus 2 and C of 7 comma 4 taken in order is 22 square units, find the value of k. So here 3 vertices are given A, B and C and area of a triangle value is also given 22 square units. But in the B point x coordinate is absent, so that value is k. You have to find the value of k. So solution, the vertices are a of minus 1 comma 2 comma b of k comma minus 2 and c of 7 comma 4. Area of a triangle ABC is also given 22 square units. So we know the formula. Area of a triangle 1 by 2 into x1 y2 plus x2 y3 plus x3 y1 minus x2 y1 plus x3 y2 plus x1 y3 is equal to 22. So already we know the A vertices point is x1 y1 and this is your x2 y2 and this is x3 y3 value. So same step, you have to substitute the values of x1 y1 x2 y2 and x3 y3 in the formula. So 1 by 2 into x1 value is minus 1 into y2 is minus 2 plus x2 value is k into y3 is 4 plus x3 is 7 into y1 value is 2 minus x2 value is k into y1 is 2 plus x3 value is 7 into y2 value is minus 2 plus x1 value is minus 1 into y3 value is 4, which is equal to 22. I doesn't have enough space, so I write it down. The next step, 1 by 2 into minus into minus plus 1 2s are 2 plus k into 4 is nothing but 4k plus 7 2s are 14 minus k into 2 is 2k plus into minus is minus 7 2s are 14 plus again you have one minus, so minus into plus minus 1 4s are 4, which is equal to 22. Then the next step is 1 by 2 into 2 plus 14. You just add this 2, so 4k plus 2 plus 14 is 16. You are taking minus sign into the bracket, so minus 2k plus 14 plus 4 is equal to 22. So 1 by 2 of 4k minus 2k gives 2k. Then 16 plus 14 plus 4 gives 34. So plus 34 is equal to 22. Then the next step, you have to take 1 by 2 to right hand side. You get 2k plus 34 is equal to 22 into 2 by 1. So 2k plus 34 is equal to 22 into 2 by 1. 2k plus 34 is equal to 44. 2k is equal to 44. If you take plus 34 to right hand side, it will become minus 34. So 2k is equal to 44 minus 34 is 10. K is equal to 10 by 2, which is nothing but the value of k is equal to 5. Next example 5.4 is your homework problem, which is in page number 209. Same model like example 5.3. If the points P of minus 1 comma minus 4, Q of B comma C and R of 5 comma minus 1 are collinear, and if 2B plus C is equal to 4, then find the value of B and C. Previous problem we find the value of K. Here we are going to find the value of B and C. So solution, since the 3 points P of minus 1 comma minus 4, Q of B comma C and R of 5 comma minus 1 are collinear. If the 3 points are collinear means we know that the area of a triangle is 0. So area of a triangle PQR is equal to 0. We know the formula of area of a triangle. We just write the formula which is equal to 0. So you get the answer B is equal to 3 and C is equal to minus 2.